Good old Canadian winters. The air is so dry, and the indoor air in particular gets so stale after a while. That's why I really like essential oil diffusers. They add moisture to the home while also infusing it with nice scents. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've reviewed Sage's essential oil diffusers and their oils here on the channel before. But this year I got to try something a little bit different. I received Sage's limited edition new Breathing Space on the Go diffuser kit to try out for myself. I'll tell you all about it and how it works in this review video. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Let's start with a quick 411 on diffusing. Diffusing uses ordinary tap water and converts it to cool mist. You can add essential oils or oil blends to the water for a light scent when the air is released. Most diffusers will sit on your desktop, but this one is different. It is a small remote control sized handheld diffuser called the Aroma Me. You add water and oil, then slide the cover open for a quick hit of cool, oil-infused mist wherever you are. You're not tied to a plug-in diffuser. The battery inside is rechargeable and should give you about 160 or so uses before needing a recharge. In the kit, you get a pretty quilted carrying case for all of your items. That includes the Aroma Me diffuser, a small water bottle for filling it without spilling, a charging cord, and a bottle of Deep Breath essential oil. I've never tried Deep Breath before, and I was surprised at how much I actually really like this oil scent. It's clean and refreshing. Think notes of eucalyptus and lemon, mint, and maybe a hint of lavender in there. It is definitely one of my new favorites. Using the AromaMe and getting it going is easy. Make sure it's charged up, and then when you're ready, remove the tiny rubber stopper from the back and be careful not to lose it because it is small. Using the pre-portioned squeeze bottle, add no more than 3 drops of oil to the bottle. Any more and I think you risk clogging it. Fill the bottle with tap water, shake to mix it, and then squeeze the water into the hole in the back and replace the stopper. Slide the front panel open and breathe deeply. You can hold the device right in front of you or set it down nearby. The unit will run for 30 seconds and then shut off automatically. It is absolutely silent, by the way, making for discreet use when you want it. With the amount of water and the 30-second runtime, you're supposed to get about 80 uses per full tank. I'm still working my way through that number to prove it, but that is a lot. By the way, you are supposed to clean the internal water tank apparently about every 3 to 4 uses. You do this by rinsing water and rubbing alcohol through it. So how do ultrasonic diffusers work? These devices use ultrasonic or sound vibrations, which are essentially undetectable to humans. The sound waves shake the water at a molecular level, essentially breaking it apart and allowing it to be changed into particles which are lighter than air. And those are the particles you may or may not be able to see that escape as mist from the diffuser unit. When essential oils are added, they too break apart and they're released into the air with the water, creating a nice subtle scent. Ever since a friend introduced me to Saje Essential Oils a couple of years ago, I've been in love. Some of my favorite scents include Peppermint Halo and Liquid Sunshine. This year I got to try out Sage's 12 Days of Wellness Essential Oil Kit as well, and while I'm still working my way through opening the bottle a day, and I don't want to spoil the surprise for you guys, there are definitely some classic favorites in here. Overall, I've been really happy with this diffuser unit and how it works. It's easy to set up and use, and I love what it does to the air around me. It is perfectly portable, so I can always have diffusing where I want, like in the car, at the office, or while traveling, and it is actually a great way to get a nasty scent out of your nose when it gets stuck in there. The biggest downside to this device, I will say, is that it does only run for 30 seconds at a time, so it's not really possible to leave it running. I'd love it if I could just sit this on my desk or have it run on a timer in my car, for example, but as it is, you need to turn it on and off every 30 seconds. The diffuser blends from Sage, though, are pretty awesome. Though because scent is so personal, I do recommend going into a store to try them out first, because the last thing you want is to order some blends online, get them home and not like them, because they can be a little pricey. The Breathing Space on the Go diffuser kit with Deep Breath sells for about $50 Canadian, and you can get it from Sage's website. The 12 Days of Wellness Essential Oil Kit sells for about $110. If you want to read more about these essential oils or the diffuser kit, head on over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've posted a full write-up. You can ask me any questions you have about these devices or these oils, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.